847 players, that is the real number, and the title wants nearly 1,000. That is what this tool spit out. Dramatize, 85% confidence, nearly 1,000. Then a stack of title ideas built around that number for Minecraft. Most gaming uploads die in that gap. You have a messy, real count. The chart is full of clean milestones, and you guess. Round it, soften it, leave it ugly, and hope the thumbnail saves you. I got tired of guessing, so I made big number title Sanity Checker, free on CaseyBuildsIt.com. Welcome to Casey Builds It, gaming titles only. You type the real number and the game. You pull YouTube Gaming Trending, click one live title as a seed, and generate. The number verdict stays local. Round up, dramatize, or keep literal, and it can warn you when the chart is already flooded with that same milestone. Gemini writes the paste-ready titles when you leave write titles with Gemini on. You will need a YouTube Data API key for the gaming chart. Chart stays gaming only. Gemini key is what makes the title list actually good, both save once and stick across Casey tools. All right, let me rewind and show the path that got to nearly 1,000. Real stat/number 847 players, game name Minecraft, YouTube key if it is not saved, hit fetch gaming trending. When the list fills, click one title. That is your seed. Write titles with Gemini stays on. Hit generate title ideas. Watch the right side. Number verdict lands first. On this run, it said dramatize nearly 1,000. Then the titles, nearly 1,000 Minecraft. I survived nearly 1,000 hours of Minecraft. Nearly 1,000 players versus Minecraft. If you skip the fetch, you still get a verdict, but fatigue and seed shape are weaker. Fetch first when you can. Copy report grabs the whole write-up. Export TXT drops a file next to your notes. Search, this game is there if you want chart rows closer to that game name. Clear if you want another pass. So what this ends up doing for me is simple. I stop arguing with myself about 847 versus 1,000, and I get titles that already know which way the number should lean. This is a small Python desktop app. I built it in Cursor on CaseyBuildsIt.com. Grab it from files or free tools. Open it on your computer and run it. Or take the prompt and change it in Cursor or whatever AI you use. If you want the next build, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep the number honest, make the title scannable, and I will see you on the next one.